Guys, welcome back to the channel. In this simple video, I'm going to be showing you how you can send money from OKX to Chippercash. It's going to be very simple. I'm going to be selling these dogs token, which are worth. I'm making a mistake right now because the price is already low, so I'm going to be selling them at a cheaper price. But I just want to show you this video that it's possible to send from OKX to Chippercash. So this is what I'm going to be selling, and then send the money to my Chippercash, then from Chippercash to my mobile money, so that I can use it in my local currency. So I'm going to click there on dogs. This is what I'm going to be selling. Then scroll down, as you can see it's down, and I'm going to click here on dogs USDT, and here they will show you a simple order block. So we have the sellers here and we have the buyers here. So here you put the price at which you want to sell your dogs token at. Here you slide, this section is when you are trying to buy. So when I'm selling, I have to click here where you're seeing sell, and here's where you put the price that you want to sell the tokens at, and here is where you put the amount you want to sell. But you can also use this slider to put the amount. As you can see, as I'm moving around, they're showing me the amount of tokens and what I will be getting from those. So I'm going to slide it to the end. I want to sell the all tokens, and they're saying I'll be getting around $36, and this is the price that I want to sell it at. But the current price is 1128. So here you can put 1128 if you want your order to go through quickly or at a higher price. As you can see, these guys put in, like, select different amounts at which they want to sell their tokens at. So for me, I'm willing to sell it at that price, and this is what I'll be getting. So when the price goes to 1128, my order will be executed. They will first put it here if the price is not yet at that level before I sell it. So I'm going to click on sell, then click on confirm, and I guess it went through. It even never came here in this position. So if I'm to click here on assets, we should see $36 in USDT. As you can see here, I sold the dogs tokens and I got 36.73 cents. Now let us go to Chippercash and get the address of our USDT. Put in my fingerprints. I'm going to click here on USDT, on USD. Then click on add cash. Then select digital dollars. Then select tether USD, because that is USDT in crypto. So it's tether USD. And you can use different networks. This is expensive, the Ethereum one, so the remaining ones are cheap. They will charge you like $1 or even less, but this one they can even charge you like $8 to $10. So stay away from this unless when you have a lot of money on, like in USDT, and it's on the Ethereum network. Make sure you select the Ethereum network. But for this tutorial, I'm going to be sending from the Polygon network. So I'm going to click there, then copy this. You can use Solana, any kind of network that it's supported on Chippercash, and they have it on OKX. Make sure you select what you're willing to use. So I'm going to click there and copy the address, then go to OKX, click on withdraw, say withdraw crypto, click on withdraw crypto, then select the coin that you want to withdraw, which is USDT. Then select on chain. I'm sending on chain. Then here I'll paste the address that I copied from Chippercash, which is this. So make sure you confirm it. AD, I'm reading this last 4 letters, AD7F, AD7F. Yes, so where you're seeing network, that's when I will select the Polygon network. So scroll through, and this is it, USDT Polygon. Remember here, let me remove this marker. When we go back, this is the network that I selected. So it's the same network that I have to select on OKX. So I have to select this USDT Polygon. If I selected Solana, then I will go ahead and look for Solana, but right now they are showing me unmatched networks, so they don't match the address that I put in. So I have to go back and select what I selected via Chippercash, which is USDT Polygon. That is the network. Then I want to send the entire amount. I'm going to click on maximum. Then after confirming the address, the network, the amount that you want to withdraw, then click on submit. There is a small charge. They charge around 8 cents, 0.8 USDT, and this is what I'm going to be receiving in the end. So click on submit. Check this box, I understand. Then click on continue. Here they will show you details for you to confirm. I selected the USDT Polygon network. This is the address that I'm sending to. This is the amount and the charge and the final balance that I'll be receiving in Chippercash. Then click on confirm. I'll put in my fingerprints and the withdrawal is going to be processed. As you can see, request submitted, sending 35.86 cents to the address ending with AD7F. So click on view details. Here they will be showing you the progress. So the withdrawal has been submitted, it's pending, then it will go in progress. When it's finally sent, it will be on that level of sent. So we just need to go back in Chippercash and wait for this transaction to go through. Let me put in my fingerprints, go back. So we should see some money here. They will add it on the 7.77 cents that I have. I'm going to pause and come back and wait to show you if it has arrived. Alright, on OKX they are showing me they have sent the money out from their exchange. So it's now to check on Chippercash and see if we will get any alert. Let us wait for some few minutes. We may get an alert showing us that we are having some incoming transactions. We have an alert there, incoming transaction of that amount, and they are showing it here also. They're like pending confirmations from the blockchain. So Chippercash will also have to confirm this money coming in and see if it's real, and they credit it to our USD account. So I have received this notification saying my incoming transaction of that amount on Polygon is now complete. Let us try refreshing the screen. Yes, and they have credited it to my USD account, as you can see also here. Then click here on USD, then click on convert if you want to put it to your local currency. And as always, when they are buying the dollar from you, they put it at a cheaper price. So I'm going to convert like 35 and let me see this what I'll be receiving in my local currency. Click next, then click on confirm, put in my fingerprints, and it has been successful. As you can see now, it's in my UGX account. Then from my UGX account, I click there, then click on cash out, put in the amount that I want to withdraw. That's what I want to withdraw. Click on continue. Then I'm going to put on my MTN number, then confirm all that. Click on confirm, put in my fingerprints, and it's going to be successful. Click on done, and I'll be waiting for this money. And that's it. I have received that on my mobile money, and that's the process from dogs, selling the dogs token, to USDT, then to Chippercash, to mobile money. So I can use this money now in our local currency, buy stuff that I want. And yes, that's a walkthrough on how you can send money from OKX to Chippercash, then to your local currency. Peace. I'll be seeing you in the next videos. Bye bye.